Hi, I'm Kerri Hollywood from CFB Kingston. I wanted to show you a really fast and easy craft because after the Christmas decorations come down, you still might want to have a nice seasonal winter decoration. And this is a quick and easy decoration, easy for all ages. So let's get started. So I wanted to talk to you about a few things. You don't necessarily need the icing sugar, the regular sugar, and the Epsom salt. You could use one of them or you could combine a couple, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute, to create a snowy scene. And of course, to create the snowy scene or the winter scene, you want a good jar with a good opening. I actually found this pickle jar in my cupboard, emptied the pickles into a different container, and then just made sure I got the label off nice and clean. So if you have a jar kicking around in the recycle bucket or in the pantry, that's one thing you're gonna need. Here's my finished winter scene. You can collect things from outside, some greenery, some pine cones, or if you have some tea lights, you can put them inside. Depending on how big your jar is, you might even be able to fit some battery operated lights. You can even add a wintry edge by adding a bead of glue and dunking it in some Epsom salts. So get creative and try this wintry scene at home. Remember to keep following us at PSP Kingston on social media. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.